Rongpharpi. Now, this Rongpharpi is in present-day Karbi Anglong under the Duar Amla Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council constituency. This particular incident took place in the year 1863, and according to history, atrocities were committed by a certain Karbi Mojadar on Karbi villages. Now, what actually happened was that one Karbi village going against another Karbi village, and this took place in the year 1863. Now, when the Assamese police, investigated the matter, it came into light that the Gentias insurgents had instigated the Mikirs to this attack. When it was investigated, Gentia insurgents had instigated the Mikirs to this attack. And regarding this bloodshed at Rongpharpi, we come across in this line, Lamleta alone, in this particular verses. Coming to cotton cultivation, in cotton cultivation, BCLN writes in this manner: most of the cotton grown in the district is raised in the Mikir Hills, where it is estimated that there are about 3,000 acres under this plant. This was written somewhere around 1905 by BCLN. And one interesting fact that he had mentioned is like this: the 41st session of Indian National Congress held at Pandu in 1926. The Indian National Congress held at Pandu in 1926 was totally decorated with khadi, and the cotton required for producing the cloth was procured from Mikir Hills. So at one point of time, the Karbis were cotton cultivators. Then we also have here in January 1848, when Captain Butler, as principal assistant in the company of Mr. Masters, passed through Bamuni, Kochetuli, Doboka Dwars, they observed that a great extent of the country was under cultivation with cotton and rice, and the Mikirs were scattered in every direction in solitary huts or in small villages of 6 or 7, and no village exceeded 20 houses. So this is about cotton cultivation. But we find no trace of the Karbis being cotton cultivators now. Barak, the Valley of Plenty. We find the mention of Baralong Tera, a former Assam minister and a name revered in every Karbi household. Okay? According to him, he writes like this: most of the Mikirs living in Surma and Barak valleys had come to Karbi Anglong after the declaration of the Mikir Hills in 1952. So it was after 1951-52 only the Karbis settled in Surma and Barak Valley. They came down and settled elsewhere here in the Mikir Hills district. Till today, Karbis offer prayers at a ritual ushering in the spirits of the rice deities. So during this offertory prayers, what they do is the name of this particular place, Barak, is being mentioned. You can find it, or it's not showing, but it goes like this: they are nam Jolalokhi Lome Kechan, Ansuse Minu Mekan Chande, Barak Aminu Benthot, Kolong Aminu Benthot. So the name is still there. So they settled there at one point of time, and after the declaration of the Mikir Hills district, they came down. So this is about Barak, the Valley of Plenty.